If you own a 2012 and newer Mercedes and you need to get the electronic parking brake deactivated so you can depress the caliper and service the brake pads, I'm going to show you how to do that without a scan tool. So we're going to hop inside the vehicle. We're going to turn the ignition switch one click. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the heads-up display there is reading the mileage. If it's not, scroll through with the menu here on the left side of the steering wheel and get that there. Now with my thumb on my right hand side, I'm pressing the call button, and on the left hand side, I'm pressing the OK button on the steering wheel here. And you're going to hold these buttons down for about 5 seconds, and then the menu in the heads-up display will change. Now with the down arrow button on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you want to scroll down till we see pad replacement. Now you're going to push the OK button on the left side of the steering wheel. As soon as you do that, you'll start hearing the motors on the electronic park brake release and pull the pads back. Once you hear the motors turn off, now you can just cycle the key off, hop out of the vehicle, and go service your brake pads. Once you're done servicing the brakes, changing the pads and rotors or whatever you need to do, now we need to reactivate the system. First you're going to pump the brake pedal, and then you're going to turn the ignition switch back on. To position 1, you'll notice that the light over here is flashing. This means that it's in the service mode. We need to reset that. So when you turn the ignition on, this menu is going to pop up right here. Now what we're just going to do is press the OK button, and that'll automatically disengage or re-engage the parking brake system. You'll notice the light went out on the left side of the dash. Once that goes out and fully resets, then what I like to do is reach over here on the left hand side and pull and activate the parking brake and make sure it works. So I pull it on and then turn it off. And like I said, you don't need any scan tools. It's very simple. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Encourage you to subscribe.